Yes guys, check it out. This is what we do every day, all day. So we make a little cheddar, a little bread, a little cheese, however you guys call it. Yeah. Keeping the alpha meal going up, you know what I'm saying? Got to make them bread and cheese. Yeah, that's what time it is. Yeah, making some squares, cutting out these outlets over there. That's up right over there. So that's what time it is right now. And my jigsaw over there. Going to get ready. Seriously, holding it. So the jigsaw can fit in there. Nothing that's smart, you know, but the jigsaw can okay. Just need to tighten the blade a little more. Just make it lower so the jigsaw can be able to fit in there. See there? There you go. Just for the jigsaw use. Like, share, subscribe. Come on.